Hey Milager fans, it's Kara.
And Cara.
And we are getting ready for our next design workshop. And these have been amazing. I mean, they've been a sellout every single time.
I know, everybody's so excited.
Yes.
When's the next one? When's the next one?
Yes, they want to sign up already. It is available. So this is the cutest. This is for Easter. And so this is how it looks. Do you want to explain a little bit about it?
It's a flat wall basket, so it's a super cute idea for you to do on your door. So when you're ready to get rid of your St. Patrick's wreath that you did last workshop, we have the next holiday coming up for you. So the bunny has a basket in front of him that we are going to actually do a little bit of a European floral garden in.
And people don't have to feel too intimidated by this, right?
No.
You're going to make it real easy.
We will have all the flowers ready for you, all cut. We will actually put the foam in the basket for you and wire it in, so you don't have to mess around with that. Yeah,
that's impressive.
Yeah, and so then you get to go home with a super cute little Easter bunny basket for your wall or for your door.
It'll be time for a change out. Like you said, the last one that we did, the St. Patrick's home, was a complete sellout. Everyone had a blast. These have been on Saturday mornings just because it's just kind of a fun thing to do on Saturday. We have mimosas to be able to get the creative juices flowing. I'm sure people appreciate that. And another fun thing that you can do if you want to give your bunny a little upgrade is light it up. So you can add these little battery operated lights to give it that little extra effect.
You could actually go all the way around the whole bunny if you wanted to.
But I mean, doesn't that look so good?
Yeah, that's really cute.
You're really a
And we
professional.
ordered about 6 more cases of bunnies, so we have plenty of room for you, but sign up.
Yes,
sign up
you
early
want to make
because
sure
they
you sign
fill.
up. So this is going to be on Saturday, March 25th. It's at 10:30 at the Racine store. All the details are on our website. You can get your ticket there. But I think that's a great time because it's actually right at the very beginning. We also have a craft fair going on here at Milaegers. 40 different vendors. So bring your friends, do this class together, have your bunny for your door, and then come and enjoy the craft fair. That's going to be a great time. But that looks
Look at
fabulous.
how cute that is.
Really
So
fun
cute.
colors. We're so excited for spring, and be sure to be watching for more design workshops because this has been such a great addition to what we have to offer here at Milaegers. All right, we'll see you soon.